Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you a very nice pocket watch with the brand Audemars Piguet in 18 carats solid gold. The company Audemars Piguet was founded by Jules Louis Audemars and Edward Auguste Piguet in the Vallée de Joux in year 1875. First thing I want to say for the company is that they're producing a very low amount of watches each year. During the first 100 years of its existence, they have produced only 100,000 watches. That's why they are so rare. On average, they produce 1,000 watches each year. If compare with Omega produce 1 million watches each year. So this is the big difference between the brands. It's very hard to find this pocket watch in that stunning condition. The case and the dial are in mirror clean condition. We can date this watch with good precision. The watch is made somewhere about year 1925. So this means that this watch is about 94 years old, and as you can see, the watch looks amazing. And works amazing, of course, and I'm gonna prove it. Now, one more thing to say. The company Audemars Piguet are very popular with that they trying to do a thinnest watch in the world. As you can see, this pocket watch is very thin, and I just told you the reason for that. They starting with pocket watches and they continue with wristwatches. I'm not sure in the present days that they still trying to do that, but the watch is very thin. So next thing I'm gonna do is to wind it up. I'm gonna wind it just a few times to see if this watch working. So just 3-4 times. As you can see, the watch starts working straight away. This pocket watch has a power reserve of 35 hours, and my opinion is that every collector would love to own it. The next thing I'm gonna do is to set the hands. The time now is 10:10, so I'm gonna pull the crown and I'm gonna spin the hands clockwise direction, of course, and 10 to 10 is gonna be just here. Next thing I'm gonna do is to show you the movement. I'm gonna open the case with my nail. Let me first show you the stamps on the inside of the cover. The stamps are from the top to the bottom. Helvetia head on the top. Next stamp is 18K, means 18 carats. Both stamps means 18 carats gold. Next one is AP, means Audemars Piguet, and the serial number on the bottom is 27807. Next cover, they call this dust cover. Probably we got same stamps. Yeah. Yes, same stamps. And this is the movement of the watch. I can safely say is rarely seen as well-preserved movement. The movement is composite of one main plate and 6 bridges. One bridge holds the balance wheel, which is this one here. The second bridge holds the mainspring, which is this one here. The mainspring is this circle, the big circle here. And we got 4 more bridges. They hold the gear wheels and they all create the movement of the watch. To clean it, every one part was disassembled, clean, oiled, and then place it back very precisely. This watch movement running fast for about 12-15 seconds for every 24 hours, which is a very good achievement. For that time, a well-working pocket watch gave a difference of 2-3 minutes each day, as watches have been adjusted every day. I'm gonna try to show you how good this movement is. And how thin this movement is. The balance running very strong. You can see that. That movement has a 19 joules. This means that the movement has a 19 precious stones. The stones are on a places where it's large friction in order to protect the metal from abrasion. And last thing I want to say, there are some inscriptions on the movement. Inscriptions are Inscriptions are 19 joules, Audemars Piguet and Co, Brassus, Genève, and serial number 27607. Same serial number as the case have. So that's it for this pocket watch. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time.